excited when the price of Bitcoin falls, because I can trade more of these useless dollars for this useful Bitcoin. And what I mean by I shouldn't call dollars useless, but what I mean is that dollars, they're not scarce like Bitcoin is. The government can print more dollars. There's no government, no CEO that can print more Bitcoin. So I just want to share this video because I've realized that I'm at this inflection point. I remember when I was first starting to buy Bitcoin and the price would go down, I would freak out because I didn't really understand Bitcoin. And so I would freak out and I would think, man, this is a scam. I don't know what I'm buying. But now that I've been studying Bitcoin more, I actually get quite excited when Bitcoin falls because this just means I can buy more. Maybe you're at this point too, but it's really interesting. Bitcoin is still early in its adoption phase, but the more I learn about it, the more I understand it, the more I realize that this asset has scarcity built into it. That there cannot be more than 21 million Bitcoin. And it's this currency that we can use to buy things. It's portable. I can go buy a coffee using eventually it's gonna be more mainstream where I can use the Lightning Network to buy a coffee or buy some groceries. In the past, probably there was this phase where some people were starting to realize, okay, we can use gold as a currency. And there were early adopters who found a bunch of gold and thought, okay, I'm gonna get a bunch of this gold. Or they're like, can I buy some of this gold from you for these sticks? You know what I mean? That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm trading sticks for gold when I trade dollars for Bitcoin. So anyway, I just thought I'd share. It's really interesting. I'm at this inflection point where, if even a few years ago, I was buying so little amounts of Bitcoin, and I would freak out when the price went down because I had no idea. I didn't understand it at all, and I just wanted to buy it and have it go up. But now I realize what's important is actually just stacking the Bitcoin. So when it goes down, I just think, great, I can stack more Bitcoin. So. And when it goes up, then it's just, I'm happy that I stacked some Bitcoin. But it's almost as if when it goes down, I'm more excited. It's almost as if I think, okay, now I can stack more. My dollar cost averaging, whatever it is, 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks, whatever your dollar cost averaging, and say you're putting that in every day, you're getting a little bit more Bitcoin if the price is falling down. So anyway, I thought I'd share. I hope you like this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one.